Hart Home Comfort is a family-owned and operated HVAC oil company which has been established for the last 46 years. We take a lot of pride in providing reliable and safe oil deliveries and service to our customers' homes. My father started this business when I was just a baby, almost 47 years ago.
I started the business in the back of a gas station as a one-truck operator. I closed the gas station at 5 o'clock, had dinner with my family, then I went out and made deliveries until I finished, usually around 10 o'clock at night, and started the same thing the second day. Now fast forward to 2026, we have 26 fuel delivery trucks, 5 transporters that transport oil from terminal to terminal. We have 19 and a half service technicians.
I've been in this business now for 12 years. Working here at Hart Home Comfort, it's like a family here. I enjoy the fact that everybody gets along, we all help each other, and the fact that our guys are dedicated to what they do. They definitely will go out there and stick their neck out and do what they need to do to make sure a customer's happy.
Hart Home Comfort provides a large array of services at this point. Our primary goal has always been oil deliveries, so we provide oil deliveries on a full service and a COD basis. And now we have a full installation crew that handles air conditionings, from central air conditioning systems to all of the mini split and heat pump systems that you see out on the market today.
So I had a customer the other day saying, how could you have over 1,000 calls and still have a 4.8 star rating on Google? And I said, it's very simple.
We take that very seriously because we're all homeowners.
The workmanship and the timeliness of everything was tremendous. They did a great job.
We switched to it years ago and never looked back.
When I walk out the door, I'm making sure that you're smiling.
So we understand and appreciate the fact that the customer needs deliveries in a timely manner.
I want customers to know that the Hart family is always here, and to make sure that we are continuously committed to being there for our customers.